Just got in this brand new GForce Lever Action 357. Going to open it up and check it out. Kind of excited to open this bad boy up here. Been waiting on it to get here. So let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. So this comes with, there we go. We got a wood stock, beautiful wood stock. The levers wrapped in leather, and then what makes it so cool is this foregrip that's aluminum M-lock, so you can put your lights and lasers and anything else on there. And then it's got the Picatinny rail there on the top to mount your little red dot, place to hold 4 extra shells. Loaded here from the side. Oh, that lever is nice and smooth. Nice, easy trigger on that bad boy. This is just a beautiful gun, and check it out. Not only is it beautiful, it's threaded. So we can put our suppressor on here. And you know, it's already going to be fairly quiet anyways, being a 357 and a rifle. But now we put that suppressor on there and we'll probably make this thing really quiet. So the good little pig gun, good little gun, take out in the woods, and it's kind of pretty though. So I know that be careful with it, not beat it up. But this is that new, this is from GForce, the LVR357. Sweet looking little gun. Might need to add one of these to my collection.